Hi 8th grade, this video will review how to find the slope of a line. In the notes section of your page, let's write down that slope is the same thing as m. Now that we know the equation of a line, we need to be identifying slope by the letter m. It's also the same as our rise over our run, or our change in y over our change in x, which we can also call our rate of change. When finding our slope, we want to have 2 points, which is already shown in these graphs, and then we want to go from one to the other and find our rise, how far we have to rise, or how far our y has to change, over our run. So if I'm starting at this point right here, you can pick either point. I need to rise first, so I'll go up 2. When I go up 2, is my rise positive or negative? My rise is positive because we are going up instead of down. Then I'm going to run 1, 2, 3. My run is also positive because I'm going to the right. Now let's look at this next one. We'll start at this point right here. Where do I need to rise? Yeah, my rise is going down 3. If I'm going down 3, how do I express that? I have a rise of negative 3. And then I need to run 1, 2. So my run is going to be positive because I'm going to the right. This is the same as writing it this way or writing it with a negative in front, because all of those will be negative, which you'll talk about more with Ms. Mack or Ms. Miller. Alright, and then looking at the last one, I have 2 points. I'm going to start at 1. What is my rise going to be? My rise will be 1, 2, 3. I'm going down, so it's negative 3. And then my run will be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to the right, so it's positive 3. I can simplify this by dividing top in, bottom out. 3 divided by 3 is just negative 1. Remember that a negative divided by a positive is a negative, so you keep the negative sign with your 1. So it's a slope of negative 1. Let's go through a few more examples. If I'm starting at this point, what is my rise going to be? My rise will be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going up, so it's positive. What will my run be? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to the right, so it's positive as well. Try the next one, number 5. If I'm starting at this point, what will my rise be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going up, so it's positive. And then what will my run be? 2. Last one. Starting at this point right here, what will my rise be? 3, 4, 5. I'm going down, so it's negative. And then I'm going 1, 2, 3 to the right. And because I'm going right, it's positive, so it's negative 5 over 3. You have more examples on the back. Let's check our answers while we do the next 3 together. Find the slope of number 1. For your slope, you would have gone up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be positive 4 over your run of 1, 2, 3, positive 3. You also could have started at B and gone down 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4 because you're going down, and then left 1, 2, 3 because you're going left, it's negative 3. These two are equivalent, so they are the same. Try the next one. You start at point A, you have a rise of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going down, so it's negative, and a run of 1, 2, 3. Negative 6 over 3, which can be simplified to negative 2. Try the last one. Start at point A, you have a rise of 1, 2, 3. We're going down, so it's negative. And then our run will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 3 over 5, which is the same as 3 over negative 5. finish up the last 3 examples independently, then we'll go over some of our review problems. We haven't done square roots in a while, but the problems at the bottom are a review of square and cubed roots. What is the square root of 16? Yeah, the square root of 16 is 4 because it's asking what number can be multiplied by itself 2 times to get to 16. And so the answer is 4. For cubed root, we're asking what number can be multiplied by itself 3 times to get to 8. What's the cubed root of 8? The cubed root of 8 will be 2. That's because 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So the cubed root is what number can be multiplied by itself 3 times. Last one, what's the square root of 25? The square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 equals 25. Finish up these problems independently, and then go on ST Math.